Yang apakah?
Apakah?
Do you sit on the chair every day?
Do you sit on the chair every day? And then,
Do you sitting on the chair right now?
sorry, do you sitting on the chair? Do you apa
Salah ya,
are
Mister?
you?
Oh iya, are you ya? Oh iya, are you? Are you sitting on the chair right now?
Are you sitting on the chair right now? Okay. And then the next it is, apakah kamu sudah atau apakah kamu telah?
Um, you are has you
Have you.
have you sat on the chair? Benar nggak, Mister?
Okay.
Have you sat
Have you?
Verb 3 kan?
on the chair?
Okay. Have you sat on the chair? And then,
Yang keempat. Have you been sitting on the chair?
okay.
Benar nggak, Mister?
Have you been sitting
Sitting
on the
on the
chair?
chair.
Okay. Yeah. And then,
Jadinya have set you. Apa Mister jadinya, Mister? Do you?
did
Oh,
you?
did you sit on the chair?
Did you sit on the chair last night? Mungkin tambahin seperti itu ya. Pas. Did you sit on the chair last night?
You sit on the
And then,
chair last
apakah
night.
kamu akan?
Apakah kamu akan? Will you sit on the chair tomorrow?
Okay, will you sit on the chair tomorrow? Okay, silakan. Siapa lagi yang mau coba?
Saya Mr. Jess.
Ayo. Pakai yang mana?
What?
What? Okay, ayo.
What cooks? What does she cooks every day?
Okay, what does she cook every day? And then,
What is you cook now?
apa yang sedang dia masak sekarang? Coba.
What cooking?
What is she
What is she cooking now?
cooking now? Oke, ulang. Apa yang sedang dia masak sekarang?
What is cooking now?
What is she cooking
What is
now?
she cooking now?
Oke. Apa yang baru saja dia masak?
What has cooked now?
What has she
cooks now?
just
Cooked.
Dah. Oke, apa yang baru saja dia masak? Ulangin.
What has cooked? She cooks.
What has she just cooked?
What has she just cooked?
Oke. Ya, kemudian coba. Apa yang telah dia masak selama seminggu? Atau selama sejam? Kelamaan seminggu.
What have been she what has she been cooked for one horse
1 hour.
1 hour?
Ulangin, coba yuk.
What has she been cooked for 1 hour?
What has she been cooking for an hour?
4 hours.
Ulang.
What has she been cook,
King.
cooking? What has she been cooking for 1 hour?
Oke. Apa yang dia masak semalam?
What um, what did she cook last night?
Oke. Apa yang akan dia masak besok?
What will cook tomorrow?
What will she cook tomorrow?
What will she
Tomorrow.
cook tomorrow?
Silakan. Ini kamu ulang-ulang terus nanti biar tahu oh harus ini harus itu gitu ya. Karena kalau nggak diulang-ulang nanti bakalan lupa lagi. Ayo yang lain silakan. Siapa yang mau coba?
Kan I, Mister.
Oke, brother, cowok tuh namanya siapa?
Ya, Kak.
Ya, silakan. Coba. Ayo. Mau pakai yang mana? Silakan bisa diambil. Hah? What?
Why?
Oh,
Why?
why? Oke, coba. Ayo, silakan. Bisa dicoba yang bagian dengan kata why. Coba. Ayo.
Why you learn calculus
Ulang.
every
Why?
day?
Kenapa? Why?
Why you learn calculus every day?
Why do you learn calculus every day? Oke,
Ya.
boleh. Atau why did you study calculus every day? Okay, and then now why?
Why you learn calculus right now?
Why?
Why are you learning calculus right now?
Okay. Why are you studying
Learn
calculus right now?
studying. Ya.
Oke. Ya. Silakan. Lanjut.
Why you have just learn calculus
Why have you just studied calculus? Mengapa kamu telah belajar atau mengapa kamu baru saja belajar kalkulus? Why have you just studied calculus? Oke. Ya, ulangin coba.
Why you have just studied
Why have
calculus?
you? Why have you?
Why have you studied calculus?
Oke.
Why have
Mengapa kamu telah belajar kalkulus selama seminggu? Why?
Why have you
Oke.
Why have you been studying calculus 1 week?
Okay. Why have you been studying calculus for one week? Okay.
Why
Mengapa kamu belajar kalkulus semalam?
Why you studied calculus for last night?
Okay, why did you study calculus last night? Ulangin.
Why did you study calculus last night?
Okay, why did you study calculus last night? And then, mengapa kamu akan belajar kalkulus bulan depan misalkan? Ayo.
Why you will study calculus
Why will you?
for
Mengapa kamu akan?
why will you study calculus on
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Okay, why will you study calculus? Okay, tomorrow. Oke, silakan yang lain.
Me, Mister.
Yo,
Ya,
Me, Mister.
yo, coba. Namanya siapa?
Where? Where?
Cewek. Tadi cowok, sekarang cewek. Steven tar. Ayo.
Saya dulu, Mister.
Ya, sebutin nama.
Dengan where? I am Surtini.
Surtini. Oke, coba. Ayo.
Yes. Where do you live now?
Where?
Where do you live? Oke, and
Live
then?
now. Where are you living now?
Oke, and then?
Where have you just lived?
Oke, and then?
Where have you been? Live for one's word.
Oke, where have you been living? Oke, and then?
Where you did live last year?
Sorry, where?
Where you did live last year?
Where did you?
Yes.
Okay.
Where did you live last year?
Yeah, where did you live last year? And then?
Yes. And then, where will you live tomorrow?
Okay, where will you live tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, very good. Who wants to try again? Tadi siapa yang mau coba?
Me.
Ayo, coba. Pakai yang mana?
Yeah, who?
Pakai yang who? Oke. Ayo.
Who wash every day?
Who was apa watch?
Washes.
Washes jadinya.
Yes. Who washes every day?
Okay, who washes every day? Gitu ya.
Yes.
And then?
Who is washing now?
Okay.
Who has just washed?
Okay. And then?
Who has been washing for 1 hour?
Okay. And then?
Who washed last night?
Okay.
Who will wash tomorrow?
Okay, very good. Who wants to try again?
Mr. Stephen,
Okay, Stephen, what do you want?
yang apakah
Apakah udah?
how deh?
How?
How?
Oke, coba.
How do you do your homework?
How do you do your homework? Okay, and then?
How are you do your homework?
How are you doing?
How are you doing your homework?
Oke, bagaimana kamu telah?
How have you done your homework?
Oke,
How have you been doing your homework?
oke. And then?
How have you done your homework?
How did you?
How did you done your homework?
How did you do your homework last night?
How did you do your homework last night?
Okay. Number 6.
How will you do your homework?
Tomorrow.
How
Tomorrow.
will you do your homework tomorrow?
Okay. Who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Saya Mr.
Yeah. What is your name?
Oriza.
Okay. What do you want to make?
When?
When? Okay. Yeah.
When does he sleep every day?
When does she sleep every day? And then?
When is he sleeping now?
Okay. And then?
When has he just sleep?
Slept. The verb 3 of sleep, it is slept. Okay.
When?
Coba ulangi lagi.
When has he just slept?
Okay. When has he just slept? And then the next?
When has he been sleeping for 8 hours?
Okay. And then?
When did he sleep last night?
Okay.
When will he sleep tomorrow?
Okay. When will you sleep tomorrow? Okay. Who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo. Ayo, silakan. Ada? Ayo, yang belum coba ini, jangan malu-malu. Ayo, biar langsung praktek coba. Ingin tahu saya sebenarnya udah pada bisa atau belum? Ayo.
Saya Mister.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Naftari.
Nasari. Okay. Coba pakai yang mana?
Whom?
Whom.
Whom?
Okay. Whom berarti dengan siapa?
With whom do you write a letter every day?
Okay. With whom do you write a letter every day? Okay. And then?
With whom are you writing a letter right now?
Okay. With whom are you writing a letter right now? And then?
With whom have you written a letter?
Yeah. With whom have you written the letter? Okay. And then?
With whom have you been writing a letter for 1 hour?
Okay.
With whom did you write a letter yesterday?
With whom did you write?
With whom will you write a letter tomorrow?
Ini pakai verb 1 ya. With whom did you write a letter yesterday? Oke, kalau ini? With whom?
Will you write a letter tomorrow?
Oke. Ya, silakan yang lain. Ayo yang belum coba teman-teman. Hello. Jangan takut salah. Ayo.
Saya Mr. Jess.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Tika.
Ika. Okay, what word do you want to take?
Who?
Who. Oke, nggak apa-apa ya karena udah banyak yang dipakai. Pakai who, nggak apa-apa. Coba ayo. Who?
Who goes to the beach?
Who goes to the beach? Okay.
Kedua, who are going to the beach?
Who are apa? Who is?
who is going to the beach?
Okay, and then
Who has gone to the beach?
okay,
Who has been going to the beach?
for
Uh,
selama
who has gone to the
who
beach?
has been going
Who
to the
Oh ya,
beach for
who has
2
been going
hours.
to the beach? Kalau until now,
Ya, boleh.
oh ya.
And then
Who went to the beach yesterday?
okay, siapa yang akan?
Who will go to the beach tomorrow?
Okay, ya, very good. Who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo, coba. Yang belum pernah coba, ya pengen tahu dengar suaranya. Ada nggak?
Takut salah.
Salah kan nggak dimarahi, nggak dimakan juga sama Mr. Jess. Ayo,
Aku,
jangan takut
Mister,
salah. Ya, coba ayo.
what do you eat every day?
What do you eat every day? And then,
What is eating every morning?
sorry.
What is you eating every morning?
Kalau you pakainya is atau are?
Are, ya.
Ya,
Are.
coba ulangin. Berarti,
What are you eating every morning?
what are you eating now?
Now. What are you eating now?
Okay, and then,
What have you eaten?
yeah, what have you eaten? Okay, and then,
What have you been eating on this
Yeah.
morning?
what have you been eating selama atau sejak?
Sejak. Berarti
Ayo,
pakainya
sejak.
for this morning.
Bukan for this morning. From this morning malah boleh. Dari tadi pagi gitu ya. Sampai sekarang masih makan jadi.
Jadi what
Okay.
have you been eating from this morning?
Okay, and then?
What did you eat last night?
What did you eat last night? Okay, and then?
What will you eat next week?
What will you eat next week? Okay, very good. Who wants to try again? Ayo. Ini harus coba kalian. Yang belum jangan malu-malu, jangan takut salah. Silakan. Ayo, yang belum coba. Siapa? Ayo, siapa? Udah bisa belum kira-kira nih? Maksudnya ini kalau sudah bisa, teman-teman dasarnya sudah tahu gitu ya. Dan gak bingung kapan sih kalian harus meletakkan seperti do sama does. Kapan teman-teman nanti harus meletakkan am, is, ataupun are. Kapan nanti kalian harus meletakkan have dan has. Kapan kalian nanti harus menggunakan have atau has plus been. Kapan kalian harus menggunakan did dan kapan kalian harus menggunakan will. Ini yang sering kita gunakan sehari-hari gitu ya untuk ya bercakap-cakap dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Kalau teman-teman sudah tahu, maksudnya, oh aku paham cara kapan aku harus pakai will, oh aku paham kapan aku harus pakai did, kapan aku harus pakai have has been, kapan aku harus pakai have sama has saja. kapan aku harus pakai am is are, dan kapan aku harus pakai do atau does. Kalau di situ sudah dirasa, oh udah enak lah, udah lancar, udah nggak bingung lagi, terus pas ngomong juga udah nggak loadingnya lama-lama amat gitu ya. Itu udah lumayan enak, nanti teman-teman bisa terapkan ke topik-topik berikutnya. Baik nanti diterapkan ke mungkin pola pasif, mungkin diterapkan nanti ke kalimat pengandaian, mungkin nanti kalian gunakan ke question tag, nanti digunakan mungkin di elliptical structure, di direct dan indirect speech, itu sudah enak. Kenapa? Karena kalian sudah menguasai dasarnya. Ya, baik menggunakan Judas, am is are, baik dengan did dan sebagainya itu sudah di luar kepala lah, udah nggak perlu mikir lagi, itu udah enak. Dipastikan buat masuk ke topik-topik selanjutnya. Oke,
Sir,
ya.
kalau
Mister,
yang
kalau tanya
contoh
boleh.
kalimat noun gimana ya, Sir?
Kenapa?
Contohin kalimat noun gimana ya, Sir?
Contohin kalimat apa? Whom?
Kalimat noun. Noun.
Kalimat noun.
Ya,
Maksudnya contoh yang pakai noun gitu dah.
ya, Sir. Kayak ini. Do you a farmer?
Oh, nominal.
Ya,
Yang nggak ada kata kerjanya.
ya, ya.
Oke, kalau nggak ada kata kerjanya itu kan pakainya nanti to be semua ya. Kalau di sini mungkin gitu ya. Are you a farmer gitu ya? Apakah kamu petani? Ya sama di sini pakainya are you a farmer? Kalau di sini sama nggak Mr. J? Sama, karena present continuous itu bentuk nominalnya sama. Are you a farmer? Kalau di sini gimana Mr. J? Sama, tetap dia pakai have you. Nah, cuma ditambahin been saja. Have you been a farmer? Apakah kamu udah jadi seorang petani? Kalau ini gimana? Ini sama dengan atasnya. Ya. Have you been a farmer? Kalau ini pas. Gantinya jadinya were you a farmer last year? Apakah kamu petani tahun lalu? Kalau ini gimana? Will you be a farmer next year? Ya, jadi baik yang verbal, yang nominal, ya tetap kalian juga harus bisa membuat contohnya ya. Oke, yang ini kan sama. Ini sama. Nah, ini punya sendiri, ini punya sendiri. Oke. Tadi yang tanya siapa yang lain?
Saya mau tanya.
Ya, tanya apa?
Yang nomor 1 sampai nomor 6 itu namanya kan, kalau yang satu present simple. Kalau yang kedua apa?
Simple present dan
Continue.
continuous.
Continuous.
Continuous. Present perfect tense yang ketiga kan? Yang keempat present perfect continuous tense.
Ya,
Simple past tense.
sama future.
Future tense.
Future tense.
Ya, ini kan yang sering ya kita gunakan ya sehari-hari lah ya. Kalau kalian sudah bisa ini tuh udah nggak bingung mau ngomong tuh udah nggak bingung karena udah ya mewakili semuanya sebenarnya. Jadi silakan.
Mister,
Ada
kalau
lagi
yang
ya?
nominal, Mister, kalau yang nominal itu yang pakai adverb, bisa nggak ini? Apa namanya? I am in the school.
Boleh. I
Ya.
am in the school. Boleh. I am at school. I am in Jakarta. Karena kan nominal tuh punya 3 ya. Jadi bisa pakai adjective, noun, ataupun adverb. Jadi bisa. Ya, semuanya bisa. Mau pakai adjective, mau pakai noun, mau pakai adverb.
Udah mau jam 8, Mister.
Kalau apa? Kalau nanya seperti apa gimana? Seperti apa
Seperti
orangnya?
apa?
Seperti apa bendanya gitu. Seperti
Bukan
apa?
bendanya apa dulu mungkin?
Misalkan nanya
What does it look like? Boleh, pakainya what does. Seperti apa itu gitu ya. What does subjeknya. look like? Seperti apa itu gitu ya. What does the car look like? What does the actor look like? Ya, apa pokoknya. Pokoknya bisa pakai what does. Ini yang dimaksudkan apa? Tambahin look like. Seperti apa itu? Okay, what does your mom look like? Okay.
Oke.
Ya, sudah jam
Mister,
8 ya.
masih bisa bertanya?
Silakan, nggak apa-apa.
Yang untuk keterangan yang tenses yang ketiga dan keempat tuh, Mister, masih membingungkan.
Kalau yang ketiga nggak usah dikasih kata keterangan waktu. Karena ini nggak, it is not necessary. Itu nggak perlu ditambahkan keterangan waktu nomor 3 ya. Jadi nggak
Nomor
usah.
3 dan 4. Itu kan
Nomor
kalau
3
yang
nggak
ketiga
usah.
itu keterangan. Ya kan yang ketiga dan keempat tuh sama pakai yang satu pakai has been, yang satu pakai have. Itu keterangannya seperti apa, Mister? Pamannya kayak gini, suatu
Kalau
kejadian
yang
yang telah
ketiga,
berlalu.
kalau yang ketiga kan kejadian yang sudah selesai. Ya,
Yang sudah
sudah
selesai.
selesai. Waktunya
Kalau
kapan itu
yang
nggak terlalu penting, gitu ya, diketahui. Kalau yang ini
yang
masih berlangsung sampai saat ini dan sampai masa yang akan datang.
kejadian yang telah berlalu dan masih berlangsung sampai sekarang, kan gitu kan?
Bukan telah berlalu ya, dimulai di titik waktu di masa
Berlangsung.
lampau dan masih berlangsung sampai saat ini.
Masih berlangsung sampai saat
Oke,
ini. Oke, thank you, Mister.
ya, oke. Ya,
Oh, one
Mr. Jess
question more.
pindah ke batch jam 8 ya. Gimana? Masih ada yang mau nanya?
Aku, Sir. Aku mau
Oke,
nanya
silakan.
yang which itu, Mister. Kan
Ya,
kalau which sama which itu kan plus noun ya.
ya.
Which book gitu kan. Kalau misalnya which one gitu, kan nggak ada ininya susunannya jadinya which one do you like gitu.
Boleh.
Harusnya kan
Kalau
boleh.
kamu mau ngomong which one, kamu sudah menunjukkan bendanya. Contoh di situ ada 2 mobil. Kamu boleh pakai which car do you like atau which one do you like sambil kamu nunjukin barangnya. Ya.
Oke.
Karena which one itu sudah di hadapan mata lah barangnya gitu ya. Kamu menunjukkan 2 benda di depan matamu gitu ya. Kemudian kamu ngomong gitu ya. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? Which one do you want to buy? Contoh kamu lagi ke mall gitu ya. Kamu pegang 2 tas. Kamu nanya ke Mr. Jess. Mr. Jess, which one do you prefer? Kamu pilih yang mana? Kamu suka yang mana? Nah, sama aja dengan which bag do you prefer? Ya, jadi sama saja. Nggak ada masalah. Which one sama which bag. Gitu ya. Ketika memang kamu sudah menunjukkan bendanya apa gitu ya. Di depannya sudah jelas gitu ya.
Oke,
Oke.
Mister.
Ya. Oke, Mr. Jess pindah ke batch jam 8 teman-teman ya. Kita ketemu lagi nanti di hari Senin. Oke, thank you buat teman-teman
Oke,
semuanya
thank you,
yang
Mister
sudah pada
Jess.
bergabung. See
Oke, see
you.
you.
See you.
See you.